Hi guys, we just checked into Taj Palace here in New Delhi and I can't wait to show you our club suite. It is so beautiful. I have stayed at many different hotels here in India and I must say that Taj Palace here in New Delhi definitely impresses. Before we get started, I just want to tell you that as part of your club suite package, you also get complimentary breakfast every morning. You also get one lunch or dinner. They have a couple of different restaurants downstairs. There's a Chinese one, there's a European one, and then they have a capital kitchen which serves a lunch and dinner buffet. So without further delay, let's get started and let me show you the room. So now this is how it looks when we enter Taj Palace. This is the entrance and this is the check-in process. Everyone gets a personalized check-in. And then this is just a quick photo of the suite. And this is the bed. It's very comfortable. So now let's get into the room. So we're on 6th floor. 658 is our room. Everything looks very nice. And once you get in to the room, there's a large, living room area. There's big screen TV. And they have really nice paintings. Just overall, the look of the room is very luxurious. A lot of storage area right here. And then another storage area with some mirror where you can put your luggage. Another big mirror. And then this wine is complimentary. You get that as part of your room. It's Shiraz Cabernet. And these are the water bottles. And these blinds, you can press a button and they will open up. So it's all electronic. The buttons are right here. If you press it, they'll start opening now. So now here's another view of the suite so you can appreciate its size. It's very, it's not very large, but it's not very small. It's just perfect size. And now we're entering the bedroom. And once again, these blinds are electronic. You can, press the buttons by your bed to open them and close. And then they give you some more water by your bed. And here are all the controls for the lights, cleanup, if you want to press the buttons, and you can get, any kind of work done, such as cleaning your room. And then this is your work station where you can sit down and, hook up your laptop and get your work done, watch TV. And then we're going into the bathroom now. So the bathroom is very nice. The shower is great. You have not just rain shower, but you have all these other controls. There's a nice sized tub, lots of towels. There's his and her sink. Once again, lots of towels there and so many different amenities. Their butter soap. All of the stuff that they provide is high quality. And here are some more things. They give you everything such as lotion, shaving kit, vanity kit, dental kit, shower cap, and so forth. The tub also looks nice. Definitely something to try. And here's another view of the bedroom. Now this is just the outside view, so you could see from your room downstairs once you open and close the blinds. now I'm just showing you that how the blinds, you know, close by just pressing that button. Now this is the 7th floor. As part of the club suite, you get access to this lounge where you can get high tea in the afternoon. You can get tea, coffee, as well as some snacks. And this is how the inside looks like. They also have a business center, so if you need to get some work done, use the computer, you can do that. They have a printer there as well. And now we're going to go check out the snacks that they have. These are like chicken sandwiches. And then they have some chutneys here, some paneer pakoras. The good thing about this lounge is that it's not that busy because only people that have suites will have access to this, and then some more suites here. So it's nice to kind of come in here if you want to relax during the afternoon, or you want to come during happy hour, which is from 6 to 8:30 p.m. and you can have a cocktail. There's another view. It's very beautiful here. And now we're entering the spa. I just want to quickly give you a tour of the spa as well. They have a salon, and if you want to get any massages, any salon, you know, any hair color, any work done, you can get it done here. One thing I forgot to show you about the room is this private mini bar area where they give you extra glasses if you need them, as well as tea, or if you want to make coffee, they give you all the stuff here. There's a large variety of teas such as you know, immune support tea, chamomile, masala chai, English breakfast, original, so forth. And then this area is for any sodas that you need or alcoholic beverages. So there's Red Bull, as well as some Johnny Walkers and some Mirandas, Pepsi, so forth. So guys, what did you think? I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment below if you have any questions. My final thoughts are that the customer service here at the hotel is great. Everything that we ever needed is delivered super fast, and they also have a butler service in the suite, so when you order tea or any other kind of room service, someone will actually come and serve you, which is like really nice. It's a nice touch. And also they have Bose speakers in the room, so when you're watching TV, the sound quality is excellent. Overall, the location, the food quality in the hotel, such as their lunch buffet, dinner buffet, the restaurants, everything is exceptional. I really enjoyed my stay here. They made it very comfortable. And don't forget to check out some of my other reviews of the hotels here in India as well.